Screenshots. So this video is going to just go over 4 different ways that you can take screenshots or pictures of your screen in Windows 10. The first one I want to mention is just the snipping tool, which if you've never used before, I mean, it's been around for a few versions of Windows. It's part of the operating system, and it's a great little tool. It allows you to click on New, and actually you now can do a freeform snip, a rectangular snip, a snip of just the active window, or just basically a screenshot of the entire screen. If I was going to do a freeform snip, which is kind of a new one, usually it's defaulted to regular, but I just click on this and you just draw around what you want the snip to be. I'm a horrible drawer, so freeform snipping isn't always the best for me, but you got to connect the dots. Okay, there's my snip. Now what I can do is I can save this as an image file, or I can copy it and paste it into another application if I was to do that, and perhaps go to, we'll go to a Google Doc. I can paste it now. So I'll just right click and say paste. There's my beautiful picture. The other thing that you can do is you can email it to yourself or to someone else as well. You can also use your pen tools and you can annotate this or draw on it or highlight certain things. And if you make a mistake, you can erase your issues. And then when I hit save or copy, I'll copy this one now. And let's delete that and just repaste it. And now it will come with the actual writing. So this is great. I use this for a lot of help sheets. It's great for doing directions, for providing instruction for students. So I think that you'll use this quite frequently. The other ways to do screenshots is using the print screen key. Now, if you are a high school teacher, the print screen key is at the kind of towards the top right-hand corner of your keyboard. It's the second key over, and it says print screen right on it. If you are a middle school teacher, your laptop version is a little bit different, and your print screen is the function key plus the shift key at the same time. So it's the shift key on the right-hand side of your keyboard. So you would hit function and hit that one shift key, and that'll do a print screen. If I hit the print screen key, and I'm just going to minimize this so you can see it, but if I just hit print screen, what that does is it takes a picture of my entire desktop and it copies it to the clipboard. So in order to use it, I'm going to delete this again. I would have to open up a document or Photoshop or something like that and do edit paste and paste it in. So I just did a print screen. It took a picture of my entire screen. Now let's say that I am, I'll go here. Let's say I want to take a picture of just the active window. Now an active window would mean whatever I'm looking at, this is the active window. It's what you're viewing on that particular page. So for instance, if I wanted to do this, I could hold down the Alt key and hit print screen. And then when I go into my document, let's get rid of this, and I paste this one now, it didn't do the entire desktop. It only took a picture of the active window here. So that's what's different. And then finally, this is my favorite feature in Windows 10, is being able to take to do a print screen and have it save automatically as a picture file. So one thing that's kind of nice about that is what I'm going to do is hold down the Windows key and I'm going to hit print screen at the same time. And my screen dimmed a little bit there. I'm not sure if you saw that. But now to find that picture, what I do is I go into my server folder. So I'm just going to come over here, find my name in the list. Oh, I guess I'm not really signed in here, so you won't be able to see it. But basically, I go into my server folder and I go into my pictures folder, and there's a folder in there called screenshots. And of course, I'm not connected to the server at the moment, but it basically is saving all of those pictures into that folder called screenshots. So you don't have to copy and paste the print screen into another program to save it, it automatically saves as a picture file, which I find very useful, and I do use that feature a lot. So take a few minutes and use the snipping tool and try these print screen options and just see if you can take some screenshots in different ways and be thinking about how that could help you instructionally with things that you have to put together and make for students.